Today is Saturday, August 16th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM DELCO stereo radio system augmented with Bluetooth for my friend Tony in Rhode Island. Okay, this is the original vintage 66 CFM T3. This has the A-track that goes through the spring-loaded door. So this is a full level 10 restoration. The unit has been completely disassembled. Everything has been revitalized in terms of the original electronics, and we've augmented the radio to support Bluetooth functionality. So I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. Okay, we'll go ahead and energize the unit with power.
Stay at an upscale, tropical, all-inclusive resort. Choose from 4 countries. Listen, if you're getting
I have some preset channels already selected in the push button. And we can see how the stereo unit lights up, recognizing stereo. And I'll go ahead and switch it to AM mode.
Money goes on for years and years and years. It's a really cool thing.
As effective as a running football team as people like to
Okay,
imagine.
much harder to get AM channels here inside the garage.
And if I was allowed to bet on the NFL, which unfortunately I am not because I'm
But
not
we
part
can
of the
see we're in
team's
AM mode.
Game day broad.
Go back to FM mode.
Crown Eurocars, your ultimate destination for Mercedes-Benz.
Manual tuning with the knob. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go to my pre-selected channel for FM. And I've selected a song from my cell phone, which is Smooth from Carlos Santana. And I'll go ahead and select a different song, Poco Harem. Check the crisscross fading. And the treble and bass with the redirect. And balance the unit.
I was feeling kind of seasick.
Okay, we'll select another song. Paint It Black from the Rolling Stones.
The room was humming. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black. Flowers in my love life.
Alright, I'll go back to FM mode one last time.
I wanna glad, yeah.
Alright, so that's the original vintage AM/FM Delco stereo radio for the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. Oh, one last thing that we have to test is the 8-track tape player. So I have an original 8-track for the Eagles. And I'll change tracks.
Will she still love you when you're not around? Going full of noise and dangerous boys still make you thirsty and hard. Again in the storybook, how they dance in the courtyard. Sweet summer sweat, some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. When you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California.
Alright, and we pull the knob out. That ejects the tape. So pushing the knob in changes the track. Pulling the knob out ejects the tape. Hard to do this with one hand. Okay. Back to FM mode. Back to AM mode.
We'll help you take back control of your life. Call 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733.
Back to FM. Okay, and that's the functional validation test for the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM Delco original stereo radio with 8-track tape and Bluetooth augmentation, as demonstrated by my cell phone. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including the restoration of the AM/FM Delco stereo radios with the augmentation of the Bluetooth functionality in order to support our cell phones, both music and cell phone receiving of calls. And okay, so that's it. So this is for my friend Tony. This will ship out as soon as I get his speakers in order to do a validation test also with his speakers, which may need restoration because faulty speakers do cause the transistors and the ceramic circuit breaking fuses inside that protect the transistors to burn up. The original AM/FM Delco stereo radios in 1976 were 10 ohm impedance, so this is a 10 ohm impedance system, high fidelity, augmented with 200 microfarad capacitors, and this will not work with modern 4 ohm speakers as they will burn up the radio. So anything less than 10 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm, even 8 ohm will not work with this radio and will cause catastrophic failure. So as is consistent with the original design specifications,